Question 12. Here is a trapezium with a height of 10 centimetres. The parallel sides are 5.5 centimetres long and 10.5 centimetres long. It's always a good idea to show parallel sides with a pair of arrows like that. They show parallel sides. And we've got to find the area of the trapezium. Well, the first thing we're going to do is watch a little video clip that you may recognise the tune of. And you may recognise that from a nursery rhyme. Obviously the lyrics have been changed to help us learn the area of a trapezium. So let's just recap, what did it actually say? It said, half the sum of the parallel sides times the height between them. And that is how to calculate the area of a trapezium. So all we need to do now is try and come up with some working out that fits in with that sentence. So this word here, half, means we're going to half something. The sum of the parallel sides means we need to add the parallel sides together. So we're going to have 5.5 add 10.5, because they are the parallel sides. And we need to times the height between them. So it's going to be times the height between them, which is this distance here of 10. Now, if we can work this out, we will find the area of the trapezium. Half the sum of the parallel sides times the height between them. Now, the first thing we're going to have to do is find the sum of the parallel sides, because you've got to do any brackets first. So 5.5 add 10.5, well, 5 and 10 is 15. The 2.5s make a whole one, so that makes 16. So this bracket makes 16. We might as well cross it out and replace it with a 16. So we've got half the sum of 16 times the height between them. So we're now left with half of 16 times 10. Well, half of 16 is 8. So this bit, we might as well cross it out and replace it with an 8. And we've got to times the height of the trapezium. So we're left with 8 times 10. It now looks very, very simple. 8 times 10 is 80 centimetres squared. And that's your final answer. Just to recap, half the sum of the parallel sides times the height between them. That's how to calculate the area of a trapezium. So the parallel sides with 5.5 and 10.5 would make 16. Half that is 8. Times the height between them is 10. So 8 times 10 was 80. And that's your final answer.